Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So here we go, yet another beautiful evening and yet another beautiful me. So today's idiomatic expression is buckle down. Buckle down means to work or study hard. Usually it is used when we want to talk about the consequence of our action. For example, my last exam grades were very low, so I've decided to buckle down and get better grades in the next exam, which means that my grades were low, so I've decided to work hard. So buckle down means to work hard, to study hard on your project, on your studies, and so on and so forth. Okay? So I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please like, share, follow, comment, and repost this video. And see you in the next one. Take a good care of yourselves. Bye bye.